Hey everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz, and we are still doing the SEMRUSH series. As you can see on the screen right now, we are currently on SEMRUSH.com, and this is the dashboard for all the tools that they have under their bench. And if this is your first time watching any of our videos, welcome. What we do here is that we talk about different SEO tools in the market, and for this particular series, we are doing SEMrush. So basically, what we do is we sign up for an account. Currently, I'm on a free trial account here in SEMrush, and then we are able to utilize all the tools that they offer, as well as the features and other extensions that they have once you sign up for a paid account. So today we will be talking about Market Explorer, which is still under .trends. If you are curious what this is all about, you can view the video in the playlist, which I will be linking down on the description box below. But yeah, basically for Market Explorer, it is analyzing any market by entering a single domain, creating your own competitor list, or selecting a business category. So for this particular one, I'm not sure if we're gonna be doing the entirety of these three, because I'm not sure yet if this is how long the steps would take for this one, and as well as the others. So let's see, because it is also my first time utilizing this tool, because I wanted to have a very genuine reaction and review about it. So I want to be doing that with you guys. So yeah, basically here with Market Explorer, we get a bird's eye view of the market in general, and then be able to easily access or assess competition threats, and also create custom markets and identify key rival marketing strategies. So here we can also get instant market overview. What that means, we're going to be talking about that more in detail later, but essentially it is to identify metrics for an industry or a queried domain. So it will depend on what you will be inputting on the domain section above, and also you get to see or estimate your competitors' market share and explore custom markets as well. So in order to get started, all you need to do is enter a domain to analyze. So let's just use Serpwizz for this part, and then select competitors. I'm just gonna leave this one as market list 1, but if you want to customize a name, then feel free to do that as well. And then let's hit select competitors. And then so that previous one was considered step 1, and then this one is for step 2. So I think here, select, we need at least 3 domains to start analyzing your list. So what I did is just select from the given list here below. You can select up to 20, but I'm just gonna stick with 2, and then create and analyze. Alrighty, so here is a look of what the results are. There's just some pop-up boxes here telling you more about the different features as well as filters. So here you get the dynamic filter for comparison, and we're gonna take a look at that later on. So here we use the domain, or we use a Serpwizz domain, and you can see here the different, this one is the overview tab. So we get a look at the market summary, and here you get to have a look as well as market competition and market domains, market traffic cost, market size, and then you can compare them as well here. Growth quadrant. So you see all these different metrics and categories. And then top keywords, what is crawling. So this is the number one keyword that is popular within those pages, as well as this ones. Domain versus market dynamics, pretty much showing you the share of visits, with the following results. Total traffic trends, so you get a graph here of what it looks like for this particular dates or months, and as well as domain versus market growth by sources. You can take a look of all of those traffic generation strategy. So you see there are a lot of metrics that are being viewed here, since it is the overview. So if you decide you want to just focus on a specific metric or category, then you can select the tabs you can select the tabs on the above portion. I'm just gonna show it to you later on. Here you also get market geo distribution, so these are the top countries. You can also select top changes if that is what you want or you prefer, as well as market traffic. And you can also export these results individually to your you can export them if you want a PNG file or a CSV file. It's up to you. And here are the different tabs that I have been talking about earlier, and you can change the dynamics filter right here, as well as the date and the location of your target. So you can also create a list depending on what you need or what your preferences are. Let's see what these ones are. Audience insights, top pages, benchmarking, all domains. So I'm just gonna part this one right here. I'm gonna stop here as I gave you the overview of what Market Explorer is. The next video will go in depth into the other tabs right here, as well as in this side. And I'm just gonna show you what they are. Yep, so basically that's it for the overview of Market Explorer. Stay tuned if you want to have a look at the in-depth explanation of what this is and how this works. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. And hope to see you on the next one.